Hello! Welcome to another video on Stories with Sula. Today we're reading a very exciting book. Guess what it is? It says, wee wee wee. Aha! It's a book called Flashing Fire Engines by Tony Mitton and Ant Parker. Let's get reading! Hello again. Do you like to play with fire engines and police cars and ambulances and all sorts of helicopters and cars? I love them too. Today we're reading a book about a special type of car, or maybe a truck. It's a fire engine. Look how it's big and red, and there's all sorts of things on the fire engine. Would you like to find out what they are? Then let's start. Oh, look! Who's that? I think these animals are working at the fire station. There's this big hose. Ugh, it must be so heavy. Aha. Big, bold fire engines, waiting day and night, ready for a rescue or a blazing fire to fight. It's all quiet now. They're waiting. As soon as there's a fire alarm, the engine starts to roar. The firefighters jump aboard. It rumbles out the door. They're getting ready. Look, do you see those special clothes? Watch the engine speeding on its daring dash. Hear its sirens screaming. See its bright lights flash. Wee-oo, 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 wee-oo. Is that the sound that a fire engine makes? I'm not sure. I'm sure you know which one is which. This one says, wee-oo, wee-oo, wee-oo. Quick, quick. In helmets, fireproof pants and jackets, boots so big and strong. Helmets, jackets, boots and pants, all fireproof. They protect you from the fire so you don't get burnt. The crew are dressed and ready as the engine zooms along. When the engine finds the fire, it quickly pulls up near. The crew jumps out, unrolls the hose, and gets out all the gear that they need. What do they need? I can see some, what's this? Is that a fire extinguisher? The one that goes, and the hose? They're getting that ready. What's that? And some other things too. Do you know what they are? Oh no, look. There's the fire. There's the smoke coming from the fire. Quick, quick. The hose points up its nozzle and shoots out a jet of spray. It squirts right at the blazing flames and sizzles them away. The water tank is empty soon, so where can more be found? The engine's pump can pull it up from pipes below the ground. Aha! When the water tank is empty, we need to get more water. And where can I get that? Aha! Now the pumps from the engine will suck up all the water below the ground. We can't see it. There it is, it's going. The fire is hot and roaring. Oh no! It makes a lot of smoke. Oh, I can't see. I can't see from the smoke. Oh. But the firefighters put on masks, otherwise they would choke. But they don't choke because they are protected. They have masks that protect them from the fire. Good on them. The ladder rises upward. It reaches for the sky. A fire engine's ladder stretches up so high. Sometimes there's a platform right up at the top. It waits beside the window. Then into it you hop. Oh, poor little dog. The dog was stuck in the house, but now it's just going to pop onto the platform. Boop! Oh, thank you so much, firefighters. Oh no, but it's good that this firefighter is wearing protective clothing so they can save other people and animals. At last, the fire's extinguished. The flames are all put out. Look, there's still some sounds coming from the fire, but this time it's a sizzling sound. You know the sound when you put out a fire? Like, even when you're having a barbecue, when you put it out, there's this sizzling sound. Lower the ladder. Roll the hose. Hurrah! The fire crew shouts. Hurrah! We did it! We put out the fire and we saved everyone in the building. Hurrah! Back inside the station, the crew can take a break. What are they doing on their break? Oh, look! They're playing basketball. Maybe they had some lunch too. But the fire engine's ready and it's waiting, wide awake. The firefighters are having a rest, but the fire engine is always waiting, just in case there's a fire somewhere. Look, it's waiting, wide awake. Waiting, waiting, waiting. And that was the day in the fire station. Let's have a look at some fire engine parts. What do you see? What do you see? There's a helmet. A helmet is a hard hat that protects the firefighter's head. And these clothes are made from special material that does not burn easily and protects firefighters from the fire. What about this? Ooh, a siren. A siren makes a loud noise to tell people to move out of the way and let the fire engine pass. So when you're in traffic and you hear the siren, wee-oo, wee-oo, you pull over so the fire engine can pass. And then there's masks and tanks. Now, we cannot breathe in smoky air. You would choke. So, firefighters carry clean air in tanks. Oh, that's what they are. On their backs, so they can breathe in clean air. And the air flows into their masks. There it is. What about the water tank? Look, there's this huge water tank here. Aha! This is inside the middle of the fire engine, and it holds water to fight the fire. Some fire engines carry foam too. Foam like bubbles to, you know, that white thing that can help you extinguish a fire. Some of the fire engines have that. And here is the pump that sucks the water from the tank and pushes it out through the huge hoses. The pump can also get water from a hydrant. This is a hydrant that you might see in cities, attached to underground pipes. Wow, there are so many parts in a fire engine, and they're all very, very helpful. That is how firefighters extinguish fires. Today we learned all about a day in the fire station and how flashing fire engines work. I hope you like that story. Learning about fires shouldn't scare us, because if we learn more, we can protect ourselves better. And you can always know that if you need someone to help, firefighters are there to help you. I hope you like that story. If you want to see more videos about funny stories and sad stories and stories about cars, follow the channel, subscribe. Hope to see you next time. Goodbye.